And this is a woman that has had a lot of talk around her. A lot of people wondering if the hype around... She's finished. Cover. Makes the cover. Oh my God, did you see that? Kick out at 1.
Very few superstars possess the fortitude to do what we just witnessed.
Very few? How about almost none? This match just went to the next level.
And you see a perplexed look now for how such impactful offense couldn't gain a pinfall. Jumping neckbreaker. Ouch. Oh my God. And misses on the springboard.
Leg sweep.
Reversal. What a counter. Able. Right to the back of the neck. What a blow.
Good night.
She's pushed into the corner. She turns it right around with a counter.
Great win.
Cinched in. Snapmare driver. Turn the lights out. Good night.
This could be it. The end of heartache.
Find the nearest exit. It's over. Wow, springboard attack.
Double knees to the gut, adding insult to injury.
She's been on the offensive for a little while now. Yeah, she's doing a good job carrying out her game plan.
Shoulders down. Kicks out before the 2 count.
She's not done yet, but you have to believe that she's still in all sorts of trouble here. Just raining down elbows.
She's enduring.
Look at this superstar. You can feel it. This superstar charging up. The intensity growing. Amazing. Kevin, cue that up again.
That's gotta be it.
Kick out. Oh, my God.
How? How?
Kicking out at 1 after that is unheard of.
Confidence must be waning as she hits the opposition hard, but still can't get the fall. This could be it.
Knockout victory. This one is over.